Rohan, welcome to the Banking News.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. How you find the Forex Expo in Dubai, and then what's your experience?
It's one of the wonderful event, I can say, and one of the largest event where a lot of traders can connect with a lot of international brokers, where brokers can connect with traders, IBs, as well as those people who have a lot of interest to trade in the market.
Okay.
And they can find a huge scope over here.
How you call the new traders in your company, or how they can contact to you?
Yes, the door is open for everyone. So over here, when we talk about the new traders and all, so over here the traders can simply do a registration in our company. It's very few steps. They need to fill the registration page, sign up and deposit, and they can start trading. But one thing I will tell about my brand, the very good thing where the audience will be keen to trade with, because as a beginner, as a new trader, he won't have much market knowledge. So in that case, My MA Market is offering you a dedicated relationship manager on every account you open. So you might be a beginner, you might be a fresher, or you might be an experienced trader. But over here, you will be having a lot of scope where you can learn and then you can earn. So you will be having a person along with your journey where they will train you, they will guide you what is exactly the market in.
What you tell to the who want to trade with you as a new traders and start their investing?
The first thing I will tell to all the traders that don't dream big when you start the market. The first thing you have to learn.
Yeah.
When you learn, you earn. And the second most important thing I can say, that's the risk management plan. Because when we know that this market can give me like my 30-day salary or 1 year salary in a day or in a week, so of course as a human we have a greed. So we want to make quick money. But in this market, if you have a discipline, if you have a very strong mindset, and you can have a control on the risk management plan, then yes, you all can be a successful trader in the market.
As you said that you can make a 1 month salary in a day.
Yes.
Right? Obviously, everyone will be. I'm also excited to start with it. But what is the process they can start from one click?
See, I'll give a very straightforward answer on this. That if I say that you can make your 1 month salary in 1 day, the other side you can lose your 1 month salary in 1 day as well. That's one thing you have to follow is the risk management plan. And when you follow the risk management plan, you cannot target big returns. Go with slow and steadily, and then you can win the race. And that's like how you can start making money in the market. But we always need to understand one thing: where there is a money, where there are profit, there are losses. So here a lot of mistakes traders are doing in. If they control that, yes, they can be a long-term trader in the market.
What is the minimum investment any person can start with your company? Can you, and then the higher side is always there.
Yes. The first thing, there is not like a minimum investment. They can start with like around with minimum $50 they can open an account. But I always suggest everyone to go with like somewhere between $500 or $1,000 in the market, because that will give you a holding power, which is must required. Because if you have an investment, every company is offering you a leverage, automatically it will help you to buy more. But the other side, the holding power is going to play the important role for your survival in the market to avoid getting losses.
And then let's talk about your company, My MA Markets.
Definitely.
How many years you are in this market, and then your back strength and everything?
Yes. First thing about my company, we are in this market for more than 5 years plus. We have an offices in Mauritius, we have office in Dubai. As we are planning to increase our empire in next couple of months. And about My MA Market, we are a regulated broker by FSC Mauritius. We have multiple assets where you can trade in, like commodities, you can trade in indices, stocks, along with that you can trade in currencies pair, and as well as you can trade in cryptos. So over here we have multiple deposits and withdrawal options. The deposits are quite instant, same the withdrawals are too instant, where you can get your withdrawals in less than 2 hours. We are providing you a services, like as I said, we are giving you an account manager, a personal relationship manager to help you in order if you're facing any issues in deposits or withdrawals, so any other tech issues. So you do not need to contact a support and where you need to wait in a queue or anything, where you will have a person, you will get instant reply, so that you can have a smooth transparency of work with us.
What's your suggestion to the new persons who want to open account with you and they start trading?
My first suggestion to them will be like we run multiple education programs, and in education program they can be a part with us, where we will help them to learn first, where you will learn, then you slowly gradually start with a small equity, then you can grow with a big equity, because when you learn then only you will able to make money. But if you go like with the flow, like directly, then it's going to be a risk. So we don't want anyone to lose money. We want they make money with us and grow with us for a long term.
So as you said, you will teach them.
Yes.
What is the methodology you are teaching the educate the new?
So basically we run multiple education program. The first, what we start with basic to advanced, okay, where we make them to understand like what is exactly forex market is, how you can trade in this market. So slowly gradually we move to the technical factors of the market, the technical learning of the market, the graph, the charts. Along with that, then we move slowly gradually to the fundamental factors, where they can know about the market, the economical factors, economical events over here. Then there are many more concepts. So we make sure that when they enter the market, they have a knowledge, because you cannot gain 100% knowledge without having your experience in the market. When you have an experience, you will learn more.
Anything you want to say about MY MAA markets and then forex trade to the audience?
I can say start with MY MAA markets to have a long-term journey in the market, where you can trade with a company which is more secured for your funds. This is more I can say.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.